Hello and welcome to another Krita tutorial. Today I will be discussing line tool, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, polyline tool and Bezier curve tool. Now let's get started. Starting with the line tool, this is a simple tool as it just helps in making lines. To make a line, simply click on the canvas and drag it to where you want it. And then let go of the mouse button. Hold down Shift key while making a line to get a straight line. Now the one thing that you should remember is that while using any of these tools that I am discussing today, Krita will use the brush selected to make these shapes. And the size of the brush will be the size of the stroke. So if I select the airbrush and make a line with it, this is what I will get. If I use a pressure sensitive brush, the lines will be uneven. So be sure to select the right brush before making a line or a shape. In this tutorial, I am using Basic 1 brush. Next, I will be discussing rectangle and ellipse tool together, as these have the same features. If you draw a shape without holding down Shift, you will get rectangle and ellipse respectively. But if you hold down the Shift key, you will get a square and a circle. At the moment, I am getting the outline of the shape only. If I want to fill this shape with a color, I will go to Tool and Options, and in Fill option, I will select foreground color. When I will make the shape now, it will be filled. I can also fill the shape with a pattern. Go to Fill and select Pattern. Now make the shape and you will have a pattern filling it. To change the pattern, go to Fill Patterns and select a pattern that you want. If you don't want the outline to be visible, go to Outline and select No Outline. Draw the shape and there won't be an outline. In Polygon tool, you can make geometric shapes like triangle, hexagon, etc. by making one stroke at a time. Click and drag the mouse. Click again and you will have your first stroke. Do this as many times as you need. Then close the shape by connecting the last stroke with the first stroke. Polyline tool functions the same as the polygon tool, but the only difference is that you don't have to close the shape. Make the shape you want. When you are done, double click to complete it. If you try to do this with polygon tool, the shape will be completed automatically. Bezier curve tool lets you draw curves. Click on the canvas, take the cursor where you want it, hold down the mouse button and drag. You will have your first curve. Repeat this as many times as you need and then double click on the same place or join to end the shape. This is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.